what we have here is we go through all the disclosure documents of a company and we pull out the resources and reserves for each metal, not just for today, but the past 5 years. So we do this on an annual basis. We not only capture each project at a 100% basis, we also do it at an attributional basis, because not every project in the world is 100% owned by the companies that operate them. So in the case of IAMGOLD, we have gold resources, we have some zinc resources, some copper resources, a lot of silver, some lead. So keeping it at the gold resources, we can see a breakdown of each project and how they fare in terms of resources and reserves: inferred, measured, indicated, proven, and probable. Now, what we've also done is we've built in a charting function. So this actually allows us to plot each of the projects and compare them to a peer group. So the way we define a peer group is any project that we have in our database that has a gold resource or a silver resource or a copper resource. So this allows us to benchmark the projects across the peers. We do the same for contained metal. And we also have a time series chart, which allows us to see how well the company has been replenishing their resources and reserves over time. And we also have built in toggle to isolate certain categories. Like, we just want to see how the measured resources have been replenished. You can click on that and we isolate only the measured resources. Below that, we have another chart which shows us the corporate level breakdown of the resources and reserves. So on the right here, we have the total inferred resources for the company. So in this case, we have 10.6 million ounces. And then the dark gray lines pretty much show us the breakdown from each asset and how they contribute to the corporate level inferred resource. Similarly, we do that with the measured and indicated, as well as the proven and probable. Now, let's say you like what you're seeing here, but you're going to the field and perhaps you may not have great internet connection to actually log into the Prospector portal. What you can do is you can actually print this and take it on the go. So I've already exported this to a PDF, printable PDF, and you can see that we have all the charts now available offline. Okay, but supposing you want to import this to Microsoft Excel, we can actually export this to a CSV file. And by doing that, we can pretty much copy and paste what we see in this in the CSV into your own Microsoft Excel and format it as per your own company's branding, etc.